So this is the first job opening that we have, which is in someone want a Palo Alto firewall expert. So there is a Gmail, right? So I always prefer to check out if it's Gmail, then it's authentic hiring or not, right? So they want a Palo Alto expert with a strong hands-on experience on firewall, right? Policy and security architecture. NGFW is basically next gen firewall knowledge. All those keys skills are important, right? The location is remote. Okay, SIM and all those knowledge is also important. And this one, they want an immediate person those who can join, right? So just drop your resume and probably they'll hire you as soon as possible, right? Now the next one is someone is hiring for 60 trainers. So guys, if you have knowledge of training, right, so you can join this company. 29 August is the last, so till 29 August you can apply for this job role. And they want 20 trainers, 10 in Bangalore, all those locations, right? You can check out, and it's on site. Okay, class. And the other tech knowledge which is required for मतलब इसमें knowledge चाहिए, they want a trainer in this term, right? Responsibility included is you need to deliver class 60 learners per day in 2 batch, conduct assessment and final case studies and all, right? And this is mail ID, Divesh Purohit at synergeticsindia.com, right? Here you can apply. Now the next opening is basically in Muthoot Finance, probably you have heard of. So Muthoot Housing Finance Company is something related. They want someone with 1 to 2 years of experience. Bikaji Kama Complex, Mumbai is the location where they want. Reporting will be to the CISO, right? And the other couple of things that you need to do as a vulnerability assessment, can pen testers or networking and application. You need to identify vulnerability and all those things which is associated to the VIEH, right? Mail ID is chirichile.d'souza@muthoot.com. Now the next one is, guys, cybersecurity talent L1. Okay, L1, L2, LT. So guys, as I told you, there's a lot of openings for the SOC analyst. So if you don't have knowledge, if you want to learn SOC as soon as possible, just check out this URL, viehgroup.com/SOC. If you want to learn about security operations center, just join this one. And if you learn about web application pen testing, then you can check out this URL, TCI, viehgroup.com/TCI. Anyways, this job opening is in Abu Dhabi, full time. Okay, mail ID is recruiting at just cybergate.tech. So cybergate is hiring for a lot of positions. You can apply for another thing as well, or you can drop a resume, right? Next one is again SOCL1. Okay, I don't know where Al Kabwar is there. 4 positions. L1 के लिए 4 है, which is 1 to 2 years of experience is required. And SAR is around 5,000, 7,000 Dubai rupees or something. So there are a couple of things that you need to do. Again, as I told you, if you want to join SOC, viehgroup.com/SOC. So today is the last day to join this one, right? So basically, I'm not promoting. It's like कि भाई job है यार, लेकिन why the people are not getting job? I want India should be top on cybersecurity. So that's why there is something we have provided you. Check out this URL. Tariq.recruiting@gmail.com is the mail on which you can drop your resume. But again, it's a Gmail, so I probably tell you to just cross check before sharing anything to the Gmail, right? Because here we are data collection के लिए they use. Next one is cybersecurity engineer again in Mumbai. So they want freshers, right? So freshers, this is for you. 0 to 2 years of experience required. Vinsa Cybertech Private Limited, the company. They want a immediate joiner, cybersecurity engineer. Okay, and fresher, right? What you will be doing? You will be doing monitoring analysis again. SOC. So what you need to do, right? SOC hiring both are as well. देख लो. What we are looking for: foundation knowledge, strong analytics. CEH will we are preferable. Like you will get a plus point, but it's not mandatory. Even if you don't have knowledge, if you don't have CS certificate, that's still you win. Now why this one? hr.ops@winsacyber.com. Okay, that's all for today, guys. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, please ask.